Hello, good morning guys. Good morning to all of you, to those viewers and subscribers. Again, I wanna greet you Happy New Year 2024. Guys, this year we have another new hopes in our life. Whatever happens to our life, just life goes on. Whatever predicament and trials to come to us, we can solve this through deep thinking and better decision toward to our lives. Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to repair this indoor of Daikin, which is not working. This is no power, so I will switch on the breaker. There is no indication at all that it is working. Guys, I'm going to troubleshoot this. Now guys, let us troubleshoot this one. What's the problem of this? Okay, I will switch on again the breaker. I will see what's going on. Now there is an input to 20 volt AC, and also there is a 280 volts. It means it goes to switching regulator, switching the power goes to switching regulator 280 volts. Now we will see the secondary if there is a voltage. So guys, there is no secondary volts. So this might be the problem of the switching regulator. This switching, I will switch on the breaker and you will see what's the number of the switching regulator. The switching regulator is top to what's the number of this? Top 256 PN. Now we are going to take out this, extract this, so that we can replace. Okay guys, we have to replace this switching regulator. Now we have to extract this guys so that we can replace. Okay guys, I have to replace this one. We will find to our stock here. Now stuck. Okay guys, we have available here this one. Now we are going to insert this new one. A little bit difficult to insert. Guys, we'll solder this one. And we will clean it. So guys, we are going to test. Now let's take a look guys. I will switch on the breaker if it is working. Let's see. We'll wait. Now, see guys, the fan motor, indoor fan motor is working right now. So, I can see that our troubleshooting is successful. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something about it. Remember always, life goes on. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much guys. Switch off.